I am Bikramjit Ray, but you can call me Biki. The recipe I'm going to make for you tonight is a fantastic recipe that you can actually do in a barbecue. I'm going to be using a hot plate or a tawa as it is known in India. You can use an oven, you can use a barbecue, you can even use a skillet to make this chicken dish called chicken hazari. It's a kind of kebab and it's got a lot of cream, a lot of cheese and a lot of milk in it. It's got all those elements which are very popular in the northern part of India, in the northwest frontier part. So this is a dish which has a lot of connections with another very similar dish called chicken malai tikka. So this is like a chicken malai tikka, but it is a chicken hazari kebab. I'm going to start making it by first getting my chicken pieces. These are boneless chicken pieces cut into small little cubes. I've got about 8 and they're also skinless because in Indian food when we use chicken we do not use the skin. What that does is it makes the chicken less fatty and it allows all the spices to permeate into the meat. So let's begin our chicken hazari. This is 200 grams because this is a starter. Boneless chicken into which I am going to add a teaspoon of ginger paste. I am going to add a teaspoon of garlic paste. I am going to add a teaspoon of white pepper powder and salt to taste. I'm going to mix all this up into my chicken. And I'm going to keep aside the chicken and I'm going to make the second part of the prep for my hazari. For that first I need about half a cup of cheese. Now the fact that we are using cheese in this recipe means that this was a recipe which was made much after cheese was actually introduced into the Indian flavor palette. It's not a very natural thing to have in India. So this recipe definitely has roots in the Raj. First I have to make my cheese into a paste, and fingers are the best way to go, as you know. The cheese had been made into a paste. Into this I am going to add 1 chopped green chili. This is of course to taste. I am going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of mace powder. I am going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of chopped cilantro or coriander leaf, and I am going to add some salt. If you are uncomfortable using your hands, you can use a potato masher to bring all this together. But the hand really gives you a good feel of the dish. Right. Once this is mixed, I'm going to add a small egg to my mix to give it the binding power. This is what I'm talking about when I say a nice mash. I'm using cheddar cheese. Use any white cheese. American will do. If you want to use cream cheese, you are most welcome to. Right. Now into this I'm going to put in the pieces of chicken which are being marinated, and I'm going to mix all of that together. My hazari chicken is nearly done, but just if you thought this wasn't rich enough, I am putting in 2 teaspoons of double cream. And then I will gently mix everything together. I'm putting a little cling wrap on this, and then this goes into the fridge for 2 or 3 hours. This has been lying in the fridge for 3 hours. Now it's time for me to put it on my skewers. I'm using bamboo skewers which I have kept dipped in water so that they don't burn. What I'm going to do is I'm going to skewer the pieces of chicken. I'll be generous. I'm going to put in, I'm putting in 4 pieces of skewer. I'll make 2 skewers because I think for a starter 1 skewer should be enough. right. Now it's time for me to start using the pan, which is warming up and it's been seasoned with a little butter. So let's begin. I've put a slight little bit of seasoning. I've seasoned my pan. I've put in a bit of butter, and now I'm going to put in my kebabs. If you're using a barbecue, it gives it that smoky flavor. I think that's even better. I have got some butter which I'm going to baste these with. So maybe 5 minutes on either side, because we've already marinated the chicken. It's going to cook fast and well. You can actually have this with pudina chutney. That's a mint chutney, the recipe of which you will find along with this recipe on the same channel. I'm going to flip these over. And I am going to break this up. Baste this with the butter. A teaspoon butter. Keep cooking this until the chicken is done. Keep basting it with butter so that it doesn't lose its... Our chicken Hazarvi kebab is done. We need to serve this. Take the skewers out. And put in some fresh coriander on top.